Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I know I have not the topic is web attacks. So this course will help us understand the cyber attacks that contains web attacks. So like 75% of all the cyber attacks are web-based attacks, like on the attacks on the web application. So a lot of attacks like DDoS attacks are covering the web attacks. So, web applications are the applications that provide services to users through a browser interface. Obviously, like Hack the Box, etc. Everything, these all are web applications. Reddit's web application, right? They're providing services to the user through a browser's interface, right? So, Google, Facebook, YouTube, excluding their mobile applications, obviously, the one that you're installing on your phone, those are mobile applications. The one you're accessing through the browser, those are web applications. Because they serve as the interface to the internet for many organizations, they can be exploited by attackers to gain access to devices, steal their personal data, or cause disruptions resulting in significant financial damage. A study by Equinetics found that 75% of all the cyber attacks were at web application level. Now, below are some of the attack methods used to infiltrate web applications, right? So, we'll cover these methods, explaining what they are, how and why attackers are using them, and how we can detect such activity. The first is SQL injection, cross site scripting, command injection, IDOR, RFI and LFI, file upload, that is web shell. So, what skills will you have by the end of this course? You'll gain you'll know about all these attacks and how you can identify those attacks. Moving next, why detecting these web attacks is important. So, if you look at the average person's daily routine, you'll see that they use a variety of web applications, right? Obviously, you are also using a lot of web applications. So, considering everybody's daily routine, we know that we use Spotify to listen to music, YouTube to watch our videos, just Twitter to read tweets, right? We are using web applications a lot. So, it is no surprise that attackers choose the web applications as a gateway for their attacks, right? Because all organizations have web applications. Most of them contain some critical data, and because today's applications are highly complex and they have numerous attack vectors. So, according to research, 75%, this we have already discussed. If we are examining the anatomy of an attack, we can clearly see, oh, I'm sorry, we can clearly see that the best scenario to prevent this attack is in its first place, is to prevent in its first place. Right, obviously, every attacks prevention and the best scenario to prevent those attacks is you just prevent them in the first phase itself. This is why there are variety and of methods that are aimed at preventing and detecting these threats. You can, like, it is essential that SOC analysts should know how to detect and take precautions. And yeah, you can just receive information. Moving next, yes, now OWASP, the Open Worldwide Application Security Project. This is a non-profit foundation that is dedicated to, improve the software security. So without a doubt, this is one of the best resource for information on web application security. Yes, so this provides a lot of information on web application security. So the top 10, every few years, this publishes a list of 10 web application vulnerabilities that pose the most critical security threats. Okay. The latest release was in 2021 at the time of writing. So this contains the top 10 web application vulnerabilities, right? Those are very critical for your systems. Or they could be like if that website contains that vulnerability, that is considered as a security risk. Okay. The 2021 OWASP list contains these critical vulnerabilities: broken access control, cryptographic failures, injection, insecure design, security misconfiguration, vulnerable and outdated components, identification and authentication failures, software and data integrity failures, security logging and monitoring failures, server side request forgery. Okay, so yes. Yeah. What is the name of the tool that OWASP application for vulnerabilities? Which tool OWASP has prepared to, scan the vulnerabilities? Does it focus on web applications? Oh yeah, I guess we have to write just. Oh great. What is the name of the vulnerable web application project that OWASP wrote using Node.js for security researchers to, name of the vulnerable web application project that it created? I don't research more. What is the name of the tool that it has prepared to help scan web application for vulnerability? Wait, let's go here. The tool is owasp.org. So I guess this should be the right answer. Oh, no, it should be a 3-word answer. Yes. So, tool OWASP has prepared to scan the vulnerable applications. Tool prepared to scan JFrog? No, but this word answer. Search this. Yes, it's ZAP, Z Attack Proxy. That is a free open source dynamic application security testing tool that functions as an integrated pen testing tool for security vulnerability. That's great. So yes, ZAP is an open source tool. You can also check out this. Like I'll also do this check today, like whenever I get time. I'll check how to use this. By the way, great. We learned a new thing today. So Zap. Oh, I see that. Okay, great. Next, what is the name of vulnerable web application project that OWASP wrote using Node for security researchers to improve them? Vulnerable project that OWASP wrote. I, to be honest, don't have any idea about this as well. Let me just search this on the internet. I believe Google is your best source. Do not try to, use ChatGPT for everything. I do use ChatGPT. I recommend using ChatGPT, but I don't recommend, using ChatGPT for everything. First, do a Google search. Google is literally your best friend for everything. So, yeah. Okay, so the application project that is developed by OWASP using Node.js for security researchers to enhance their skills. It provides a controlled environment for practicing and learning about common. Oh, okay, I see. DVNA underscore node. Damn vulnerable. Simple this to demonstrate. Okay, nice. Yeah. So this is the right answer. Let's go. I guess this should work. Oh no. Answer format is this. Oh, sorry. Node goat? That is also not the right answer. I have no clue about this one. Let me, just research about this answer. I'll paste the answer in the comments box if I get it. What does this top 10 list publish every few years reveal? So they publish most critical security. Yes, number B. Great. So yeah, here completes our first 3 exercises. This one is the only question that's left. I'll research about this and we'll get we'll know. I'll try to get to the correct answer, and then I'll paste that in the comments or the description box of this video. Thank you for watching. This all series is just altogether learning. I am also doing this for the very first time, and I want you guys, if you can connect as well, so that we learn all together. Thank you so much for watching. Do share, subscribe the channel, and if any specific video you want the topics on, because I have not pretty much, but I am very good at stuff of AI. So yeah, you can just tell me. I'll try to break down those complex topics into simpler explanations. That's it for watching. Thank you for watching. Thank you for giving your time. All the best. Thank you so much.